In this video, we will show you how to do a superscript or subscript in PowerPoint presentation. Highlight the text that requires elevation or reduction. After highlighting, navigate to the Home tab, then find the font group. Interact with the small arrow in the bottom right corner, which will bring up the font dialog box. Under the Effects section, you will see the checkboxes for Superscript or Subscript. Tick the checkbox for Superscript and click OK to confirm. The highlighted text will be changed to Superscript or Subscript as per your selection. Keyboard shortcuts. To quickly convert text to Superscript without having to navigate through menus, select the text and press Ctrl, Shift, and the plus sign together in your keyboard. Instantly, the selected text elevates, achieving that exalted Superscript status. Similarly, the combination of Ctrl and the equal sign does the trick for converting text to Subscript. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.